guys don't have very many hills to mess with on this combine job, do ya? What are you cutting?
Cutting rye.
Cutting rye?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna dump it in the growing cart, then I'm gonna dig all the rest out like after I'm gonna leave that.
Okay. You better hurry up, they're getting full. Good morning, it's day 4. Good thing I do this every day or I would have no idea where we're at or what day it is. Of course, I don't even know what day today is. I think it's Sunday. I'm a little bit later than the rest of the crew. My washing machine dealt me a little bit of a fit this morning, so it was later than I expected to get it in, and these guys get started at 8 a.m. I gotta adjust my time here. I was able to catch up with the crew here.
I'm gonna go clean up next, not next, the draws. You're gonna keep walking her down the line here. Okay, so just count you out of them. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Count you out of the run, or are you gonna be on those draws for a while? Yeah, it'll take me a little bit, Dave. Just make sure you're empty on the north end every time so you can surely make the run. And full.
Did you pick up a rock?
Yeah, I dropped it through the rock drop, but it did take a finger, and so had to push a finger down. Good to go now. But it's mostly all, there ain't no big tabletop or bench or nothing. It's just fields where it was suitable. Ready. pockets back in there that get more moisture. Yes, about 40 miles northwest of town, they got a place called the Blackfoot, and it rains there. There's pine trees, and it's a different world up there. So that's kind of a pretty area down in there then. Yeah, it overlooks the reservoir, and it's called the Breaks, and that's where they dig up the dinosaurs, and it's beautiful. So you're telling me you can actually see Fort Peck? Yeah, when you get into certain areas up there, yeah, it's a very rugged, beautiful country. It really is. I'll cut this draw off real quick. See if I can get the other side free if there's not. Probably just have to freehand a little bit of that, so we'll figure it out. Get hold of Katie for me. I can't get her. Brad never come down me. Pick me up. I'll bring the 16 to the corner. Okay.
Second fire we've seen today.
Information you're getting. No, I know.
So that fire started in a field and burnt up at least a semi. That's all we know. Nobody got hurt, but it's not that far away. This field is talk of the supper time. It's really good wheat. Right now it's making 125 bushel right here. And as you can see, there are pockets that are laying down, and then there are also some really large spots that are laying flat to the ground, and even worse on the edges. So it's a creep crawl through the field, and you just kind of have to do the best you can, because if you go too far down, you're likely to pick up a rock or two. And if you don't go far enough, you don't get any of the grain heads that are laying flat on the ground. Lucky to maybe do 2 miles an hour. That's pushing it, I think. It's just one of those things. Do the best you can and hope you don't eat a rock. Jimmy. Hey, Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.